Hi everyone, I'm Aleah with iCraftVinyl.com, and today I will be using my Cricut Explorer Air 2 with a fine point blade. I will be using design space on my tablet, heat press, and my printer is an HP Envy 5055. It is a DeskJet. So I'm going to show everyone how to load in an image and make it print and cut. So I already have an image loaded in here. And if there's like little white spots, you will clear that up right here, and with the remove button, just like you would loading in an SVG. Like, you'll clear out anything you don't want on there. Then just hit next, and then make sure you hit print then cut. Do not select cut image. So once you save it as a print then cut, it'll pop up right here. And you will just load that into your design space. Just like that. And say you want to do your words print and cut as well, you'll just select all of it and go to actions. And if you hit flatten, flatten makes everything on your design space print then cut. But this is the design I will be working with today. Just making sure I have the size that I want it. And you will hit make it. I already have the printable HTV loaded into my printer. So I'm going to go ahead and hit print. And I'll be right back. Alright, so once you're on the screen, you will hit print. And it'll pop up your printer information, and it'll show a preview of what your printout will look like. And you'll just hit print. Mine is currently printing out right now. Alright, and it is finished printing out. I'm going to go ahead and cut my embossed. Just make sure you mirror. Mirroring is very important. And I will be using light cardstock. I always double check to make sure I'm mirrored. And then once it's ready, this will blink and you will click it. I will be right back once this is done cutting. Okay, my design is now finished cutting. So I'm going to unload it. I'm going to go ahead and trim the vinyl. I do use this weeding tool from Cricut. I am going to start it off with my fingernails. it go. Alright, that is done. And I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and I am now going to cut my printable vinyl. So I like to cut it on custom. And then I used printable iron on dark. And you do not have to mirror it. And you will see it do this, and it's completely normal. It's just picking up where it needs to cut. And you will see the little light detecting the marks. Go ahead and unload my mat. And you will just peel it away. Just like that. And then you're going to take and peel it from the sheet. Be careful not to stretch it, it'll stretch your image. And there's that. And I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and I have my shirt all aligned. I like to just lay my shirt on the heat press and line it up perfectly. There's other ways you can do it, but this is the way I prefer to do so. I will be using 300 temperature on my heat press, and I do like to press for about 30 seconds. So you want to make sure that you press your shirt before you put any HTV on it. It actually helps the HTV stick, and it helps it stick better. And you can just press this for about 10 seconds or 15 seconds, however long you want to do it. And then I like to let it cool just a little bit, because once you stick that printable vinyl on it, it'll flatten itself out. So I'm going to do it about right here. And you can just play with it and make sure you get it exactly the way you want it. And then I like to take a piece of parchment paper and like smooth it over and look at it before I press it, because it just moved on me. I like it right there. Be sure that you do use a piece of parchment paper on your printable vinyl, because if it sticks to the top of the heat press, there are chances that it can ruin your design by sticking to it, or in some cases where it's so hot it will make your image fade. But I've not had that problem yet, and I have accidentally heat pressed it without a piece of parchment paper before. Okay. Go ahead and move that up. Go ahead and cover it and press it just a second longer. I also like to trim up here. That way it doesn't stick to the printable vinyl. I'm going to stick 2 pieces on here because I don't have one big enough. You can use a Teflon sheet or parchment paper, it doesn't matter. And embossed is a cold or hot peel. So, well, I'm going to do cold peel. And this is my little cooling block that I like to use. I feel as warm or cool peel works best. Okay. And do a final press. Alrighty. And then this is my shirt using purple embossed and printable HTV. And you can tell it's adhered because it's in the fabrics. And if there is a chance that it's not adhered, you can just press it, or you could put a towel underneath it and hold as much pressure as you can on it, and it will make make it adhere a lot easier and a lot better. Thank you guys for watching on how to use Printable HTV and embossed HTV. Thank you so much.